Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find a lost or stolen Android device, so let's get started. If your Android is signed into your Google account, you can easily locate your missing device using Google's Find My Device system. To locate your device through Find My Device, go on your computer or a friend's mobile device and open your web browser. Type in google.com/android/find. Sign in to the Google account you use on your Android device. Select the device you're looking for. You should see Android's location on the map displayed on your screen. Additionally, you can check the device battery level and the Wi-Fi network it's connected to, if applicable. Use the option in the menu on the left to play a sound, lock your device, or erase everything on your device. If you choose to play a sound, your device will sound for 5 minutes, even if it was set to silent. With the Secure Device option, you can add a message for the person who may have found your device, including a phone number where you can be contacted. Hopefully, with the sound and location information, you'll be able to locate your missing device. That's all it takes to locate a lost or stolen Android device. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!